What if I told you that creating passive income streams could be as simple as setting up systems and letting them work for you? Welcome to the untold story of passive income. We're about to reveal the secrets that could unlock your financial destiny through unconventional avenues. In a world where the traditional 9-to-5 grind dominates, the allure of passive income stands as a beacon of hope, offering an alternative route to prosperity. It's a path less trodden, often overshadowed by conventional career paths. Yet, it's a path that has the power to transform your life, granting you financial freedom and the ability to live life on your terms. But what exactly is passive income? And why is it gaining so much attention in today's financial landscape? To answer that question, let's first understand the financial journey most people embark on. From a young age, we're conditioned to believe that success involves going to school, securing a good job, and dedicating the lion's share of our lives to work. For years, we trade our precious time and energy for a paycheck, hoping that someday we'll achieve the financial security we crave. We exchange our hours for dollars, and for many, this cycle becomes a lifelong routine. However, somewhere along this journey, many of us begin to question this traditional wisdom. We ponder whether there might be more to life than the daily grind, the monotonous meetings, and the traffic-filled commutes. We yearn for financial freedom, the freedom to pursue our passions, spend quality time with our loved ones, and explore the world on our own terms. And that's where passive income enters the stage. Passive income represents a paradigm shift from the conventional model of earning a living. Instead of solely relying on your labor, it's about creating revenue streams that flow into your bank account with minimal ongoing effort. It's akin to planting seeds today and reaping the benefits for years to come. You might be wondering, can I, an ordinary person, truly achieve passive income? Is it a realistic goal for me? The resounding answer is yes. Yet, to navigate this path successfully, you need to grasp the secrets, the hidden gems that distinguish the financially free from those confined to the rat race. We embark on a journey together to unveil these secrets. We'll delve deep into the world of passive income, demystifying strategies and methods that have empowered countless individuals to break free from traditional employment and achieve financial independence. Are you ready to discover the power of passive income and transform your financial destiny? If so, let's begin by unveiling the first of these secrets, the cornerstone upon which all passive income endeavors are built. Secret number 1, leveraging the power of assets. Imagine, for a moment, owning a rental property. Each month, your tenants pay you rent, and that income flows into your bank account without requiring your constant attention. This epitomizes the essence of passive income, earning money from the assets you own. Assets take many forms, from real estate and stocks to intellectual property and businesses. The key to building passive income lies in acquiring, creating, or investing in assets that generate consistent cash flow. This cash flow is the key to breaking free from the confines of traditional employment. However, not all assets are created equal. Some have the potential to generate substantial passive income, while others may offer minimal returns. To truly harness the power of assets, you must choose wisely and understand how to make them work for you. In this part 1, exploration of passive income avenues, we'll guide you through the intricacies of these strategies, providing practical insights and expert tips to help you embark on your passive income journey. So, are you ready to dive into the secrets of passive income, from debunking the biggest myth to generating income passively? Your financial destiny is within reach. Secret number 2, building the foundation. Every successful journey begins with a solid foundation. In the world of passive income, this means actively investing time, energy, and resources up front.
When you say passive income, do you mean what do you mean?
I mean not having to work all day long. I want to be on a beach in Mexico instead of being on an office in Sweden in cold November.
Are you being serious right now?
Whether you're creating an online business, investing in rental properties, or building an investment portfolio, the initial stages demand significant effort. You'll need to research and choose the right income-generating methods.
Who wants to make it the extreme of, I'm sitting in my job, I hate it, this sucks, all the way to beach in Mexico, but there's a real in-between, which is why I wrote Crush It, which is at night, that is paying for the life that you have to live right now. What you do instead is you work on something on the internet that costs you nothing to start, save all those dollars, build something for yourself over 7 years, and then job to your own business. That's passive.
The biggest thing is that it's actually totally automatic and you just have to press a button and then it's going to happen. It's not true. In order to get to passive income, you have to start with very active sort of income. And as you are building, as you're creating an audience, as you are proving yourself, as you're sharing your expertise and building an audience on these platforms.
Develop skills and knowledge in your chosen field. Create or acquire the necessary assets, such as a website, real estate properties, or stocks. Invest in marketing, content creation, or property renovations. Secret number 3, learning from mistakes. Active effort also includes learning from mistakes along the way. It's unrealistic to expect everything to go smoothly from the start. You may encounter setbacks, financial losses, or unforeseen challenges. However, these experiences are invaluable. They provide opportunities for growth and improvement. Each mistake is a stepping stone toward refining your passive income strategies.
There is nothing that can stop you. All those negative things people say will mean nothing. Falling isn't permanent.
Expert tip. Embrace failure as a teacher. Analyze what went wrong, adjust your approach, and move forward with newfound wisdom. Building income streams. As you embark on your passive income journey, it's crucial to understand that most income streams take time to mature. Whether you're investing in stocks, creating a blog, or launching an e-commerce store, the income generated in the initial stages may be modest. Building a substantial and truly passive income stream is a gradual process.
Passive income strategies that you see advertised online, especially here on YouTube, are at best misrepresented, and at worst, completely fabricated to prey on the financially desperate.
Stocks may take years of compound growth to provide noteworthy returns. Blogging or YouTube channels may require months or even years to attract a sizable audience. Rental properties may need time to appreciate in value and generate substantial rental income. Patience is the key. Throughout your passive income journey, patience becomes your greatest asset. The fruits of your labor may not be immediately evident, and this is where many people falter. It's crucial to keep the long-term perspective in mind. The passive income you're building is an investment in your future financial freedom. Set realistic expectations and goals. Understand that achieving significant passive income often takes several years. Celebrate small wins along the way to stay motivated. Remember that the journey itself can be immensely rewarding, offering valuable experiences and personal growth along the way. In the next part, we will take a deeper dive into building passive methods, scaling and automating to work smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for part 2 of our series.